Often the hardest part of this whole research project is finding a topic that's of interest to you and is also original. And if you do not know what your topic is, I would suggest starting with CQ Researcher, which collects reports on a wide range of topics. When you get into the database, you can look over on the right and see the range of recent reports that are available. You can also browse by topic or data or do a search on a particular keyword to see if there's anything available. I'm just going to go in by date here and see what's available for 2009. Look through the list here. If you find anything that's of interest, like conspiracy theories, pull up the report, and the full report will have everything from maps and a bibliography to an overview, a pro and con analysis. The pro-con will feature two authorities debating, in this case, are conspiracy theories a threat to democracy? The bibliography will list books and articles and other information. It may contain all the background information you need. When you find a report that you want to get into RefWorks, just click on the Cite Now link, and I'm going to pull this down here. And what you want to do is change this to Export Citation to RefWorks, and then RefWorks will open up and it will end up in what's called your last imported folder. And what you'll need to do is go into RefWorks and select everything on the page and put it in the folder that you created for the class. And there's the reference. Another good place to find background information is something like Google News, which aggregates news from a variety of sources, including the LA Times, the BBC, ABC News, etc. There's also the New York Times, a great source for recent information. You can browse through what's online, get a topic idea possibly, or another strategy is to go down and look at what's most popular, what's been emailed, what's been blogged, what's been searched. You can often find a topic that way. Such as this article from the New York Times Magazine on the fascinating topic of social contagion. The article outlines the research by two professors on this idea that both good and bad behaviors can pass from people like a contagious virus. Everything from being happy to smoking, gaining or losing weight. Pretty interesting stuff. I'm like, okay, I've got a topic. What do I do next? Well, something from the New York Times, this is where I use RefGrabIt. I just push the RefGrabIt button. This button comes up. I click on Import, and voila, my New York Times Magazine article is now available in RefWorks. Put it into my Com201 folder, and I'm ready to go.